Now we have learned to present ourselves. Do you want to know how to say your family members in French? So let us see some of the people. So, who is the head of your family? Yes, your father. How would you say father? Le père. Le père. Le père means father. Le père. So, next what would you say for mother? La mère. La mère. Notice the use of the definite article. Père is masculine, so we use le. Mère is feminine, so we use la. So what would you say for father? Le père. Le père. Mother? La mère. La mère. Next, what would you say for brother? Brother is masculine, so you say le frère. Le frère, which is brother. Le frère. Next, sister. For sister, you would say la sœur. It is pronounced sœur. La sœur. Le père, father. La mère, mother. Le frère, brother. La sœur, sister. Let us see what we say for uncle. Uncle is masculine, so we would use le. But it begins with a vowel, so there's an apostrophe. L'oncle. For uncle, you say l'oncle. Next, what did you say for aunt? La tante means aunt. La tante. What would you say for children? Les enfants means children. Les enfants. What would you say for son? Le fils means son. La fille. For daughter, you would say la fille. Daughter. So, let us say it once again. For father, you would say le père. For mother, la mère. Brother, le frère. Sister is la sœur. Notice the pronunciation, it is sœur. Uncle, l'oncle. Aunt, la tante. For children, you would say les enfants. For son, you would say la fille. For daughter, la fille. So, these are some of the names of family members in French. So, again, let us say it once more. For father, le père. Mother, la mère. Brother, le frère. Sister, la sœur. Uncle, l'oncle. Aunt, la tante. Children, les enfants. For son, you say la fille. Daughter, la fille. So, I hope you have understood the names of the family members. You can also go and share this with your parents and family members, showing them that you have learned a new language. So, I think this must be difficult right now. But keep saying it and it will be thorough.